Local SEO refers to the practice of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. This is especially important for small businesses that rely on local customers. Local searches can be anything from coffee shops near me to plumbers in city name. These types of searches are incredibly common as more people use their smartphones to find services nearby. Local SEO ensures that your business shows up when potential customers are searching for what you offer in your geographic area. Why does local SEO matter for small businesses? When done right, it helps your business stand out in local search results, which can increase your chances of being found by new customers. In today's competitive market, it's not enough to just have a website. Your business needs to show up in local search results, and local SEO is the most effective way to make that happen. Optimizing for local search increases your visibility and credibility, which can lead to more website visits, phone calls, and foot traffic. One of the most important aspects of local SEO is its impact on mobile searches. Studies show that most people who search for local businesses do so on their mobile devices. Local search results on mobile phones are often influenced by factors like proximity, relevance, and prominence. This makes local SEO particularly valuable for small businesses that want to be discovered by people in their immediate area. By optimizing your website for local search, you're more likely to be the business that a potential customer finds when they need your services. Local SEO also involves a different set of strategies compared to traditional SEO. While both types of optimization aim to increase visibility in search engine results, local SEO is specifically focused on improving your rankings in local searches. It includes techniques such as optimizing your Google My Business profile, acquiring local backlinks, and ensuring your NAP, name, address, phone number, is consistent across the web. These are crucial for establishing your business as a local authority. Search engines like Google use a variety of factors to determine which businesses to display in local search results. One key factor is your business's relevance to the search query. For example, if someone searches for best pizza place in town, Google will prioritize showing pizza places that are located nearby. Another factor is the prominence of your business, which refers to how well known your business is based on online information such as reviews, mentions, and backlinks. Your business's proximity to the searcher also plays a role in ranking, as search engines want to provide the most relevant local results. In this lesson, we've covered the basics of local SEO and why it's important for small businesses. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of the strategies that can help your business rank higher in local searches and attract more customers. Local SEO is not just about getting found online. It's about ensuring that your business stands out to the right people at the right time when they need you most. Understanding the fundamentals of local SEO is the first step in gaining a competitive edge in your local market. If you're a business owner looking to get more foot traffic or generate more leads, local SEO is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Optimizing your online presence for local search is an investment in your business's future. With the right strategies, you can increase your chances of showing up in search results and ultimately attract more customers. This lesson laid the foundation for understanding local SEO, and now you're ready to dive deeper into the steps you can take to implement it effectively. We're about to explore some of the most essential aspects of local SEO, starting with your Google My Business profile. Google My Business is an essential tool for any local business, and in the next lesson, we'll show you exactly how to optimize this profile to ensure your business is visible to potential customers in your area.